In this video, I'll be walking you through how to declare bankruptcy in Gmail. This is really just a way for you to clear out all the emails from your inbox, whether they are read or unread, and it will give you a fresh start to your email organization. Now, of course, you could just delete everything, all the emails in your inbox, but what I'm going to walk you through here is the process of flagging these emails first and using Gmail's archiving tool so you can still search and reference them later if needed. So let's get started. What you're looking at here is my inbox. On the top there you have the search bar, and what I'm entering is a search string that says Gmail, pull all of the emails after 2014, like January 1st, and before 2019, January 1st. So you can copy that and adjust the dates however you like, but as soon as you hit enter, you'll see that Gmail pulls up all of the emails underneath within that search criteria. And what I did after that is use the right arrow to make sure that it pulls everything. Of course, you know, if you start out with a couple thousand emails, you want to make sure that it grabs everything. And Gmail will stop counting at a certain point and just say many. So just check in and go ahead and do that. Now the next step is to select all emails underneath that search, and then click select all conversations within that search. So you're not just getting the first 50, you're getting all of the thousands of emails that you found within that search string. And what we're going to do next is actually provide a label or add a label to these emails. So we don't want to simply delete them. What we're going to do is create a label called old. And this will allow you to easily find them later. You can always go back into that quote folder in Gmail if you need to. That's something that can be easily done. So I'm applying the label old to all of my emails. It's going to ask me to confirm, create. Might take a little bit of time depending on how many emails you have. But once that's done, you'll get, in my case, an orange old label that'll apply. You know that that's been applied to all of the emails underneath the search string. The final thing that we'll want to do here is use that same select all checkbox in the upper left-hand corner, and we're going to want to archive everything. So what archiving will do is remove it from the inbox or that main action folder. So you're not going to have the thousands of emails in that quote everything else area. It'll move it within a folder. So again, you can find it, but it's not in your action item. And again, just as applying the label, it will take some time. It actually, for me, ended up taking quite a few minutes. So just be aware of that as you're going through the process. The more emails you have, the longer it's going to take Gmail to process, and think you're asking it to do quite a bit. So that's declaring bankruptcy in Gmail. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click on the subscribe button to get more tips like these.